Nelson, Bob from the Capital Humane Society. It's Frogs for Dogs. Bob, who's this?
This is Rambo,
Oh, Rambo.
Pomeranian, and he's 2 years of age, and Rambo came to the shelter from a family who was moving and could not take him with him.
Sure.
And so he goes into the adoption program today. His Christmas Eve present was a neutering.
Oh, no!
But that's important, and his real Christmas present will be when he gets adopted at the Hylock Pet Adoption Center today. And
I don't know that that's going to take too long.
I don't think he will last long over there. Just a really nice dog. He's a very calm dog, not wild out of control or anything. He sits and watches people really well, but he's a young dog, and at 2 years of age, this breed with good care can live to be 14, 15 years of age easy. So he's got a lot of years in front of him.
Yeah, it's a forever dog. I mean, and just since you guys walked in and me getting a chance to look at Rambo, he is well behaved. Several people have come in. He hasn't yipped at anybody. He's not nipping at anybody's heels. Not making a lot of noise. Still got a lot of energy.
No, he's gonna make a great companion, and I think he'd do well with somebody who lives alone. I think he'd do well with some retired folks, or I think he'd do well in a family with kids.
Oh, I think you need some kids, Rambo.
Yeah.
You get no respect, Rambo.
With a name like that, when you see Rambo,
right?
You go, huh?
Who?
But it's the name.
It's like when you call a big guy Tiny.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. It's the name you came in with.
Fair enough. And that's a lot of times people don't think about that. If the animal's not surrendered, you guys got to make up a name.
Yeah.
So for this one, somebody else gave you that dang old name. Oh, Rambo. So if, for whatever reason, you're crazy and you're just not into Rambo, where else, where can they find other animals at?
The Hylock Pet Adoption Center, southeast corner of 70th and Highway 2 here in Lincoln, and you can see the hours of operation 7 days a week on our website, capitalhumanesociety.org, as well as many other pets in the adoption program.
Well, perfect, Bob. We hope you have a good New Year, and we hope we get Rambo out before that big New Year's Eve celebration.
Absolutely.
Yes, I know, you and me would be sweet, sweet. Can't be beat with our love.